What is machining? It's every part. It's every product. No matter how big or small, everything has been touched by a machinist. What do machinists do? They make the parts that make things work. A machinist's job is to produce parts that can be consistently reproduced. And those parts are used in everything. Machinists have a role in everything.
Take an engineer's concept and idea and they make it something real. So an engineer says, this is what I made, and now we make it actually tangible where you can actually hold it in your hand and see this is what it is. A machinist's job when it comes to someone who's doing the full spectrum of machining, like they're going to be about 50% on the computers and about 50% on the machines because it is a computer numeric controlled machine.
What is the CNC Machine Technology program like at Gallatin College?
The reason why I feel I've been able to succeed is because from day one, everything is interactive. Everything is hands-on. We're on the machines literally the first day. And so when they start presenting the theory and the concepts to us in a lecture type of class, we get to go down and actually be on the machines to do what they were talking about doing or experience it. And so all of the engagement and all of the encouraged hands-on has really, really been fantastic.
Machinists have several career paths. They can pursue roles strictly in machining or find avenues in designing and prototyping.
So the opportunities when the students graduate, here locally there's about 40 different machine shops that range in size from really tiny ones to fairly large ones. Like if you wanted to go outside of the area, I pretty much get a yearly phone call from Boeing and Helena saying, can you send me someone? Or from Jor or somewhere else similar to that.
Tech industries in Montana are growing in unexpected ways, like self-driven car technologies and medical technologies. And they all need machinists.
So there's a lot of opportunities in that regard as far as different shops, different areas. And we don't fill every position that's open here in the Gallatin Valley every year. There's pretty much always a machining job.
Companies throughout the valley are seeking machinists for new roles every day. Jobs that are lasting, jobs with futures. Make a strong future. Unlock your potential at Gallatin College.